Welcome! Today we'll show you how to accurately measure your DrayTek router's WAN speed using iPerf. It's essential to know your actual wide area network or WAN speed. Standard web speed tests often don't give you the full picture of your router's performance. Measuring your WAN speed directly helps you identify if your network connection is meeting its promised bandwidth, which is critical for avoiding performance bottlenecks. We'll be using iPerf, a powerful free tool that works on all DrayTek routers to provide precise and objective speed measurements. Before we begin the testing, let's quickly review the prerequisites and ensure your setup is ready to go. Here is the topography of our test environment. The left router is a Vigor 3910 with WAN IP 203.0.113.21. Connected to it is a PC, which we'll refer to as the iPerf client. This PC has an IP of 192.168.100.40. On the right-hand side, we have a Vigor 2927 with a WAN IP of 106.69.81.191. Connected to it is a laptop with an IP of 192.168.1.10, which we'll refer to as the iPerf server for now. However, the traffic direction can always be reversed, and the iPerf client can then be referred to as the iPerf server, and vice versa. First, we'll log into the DrayTek 2927 router's web management interface using a web browser, and make sure that the WAN is running. Create a port forwarding rule for any traffic on port 5201 to be forwarded to the PC on 192.168.1.10, which is the iPerf server. Then do the same for the Vigor 3910 using the corresponding IP address for the iPerf client PC. Next, confirm that the iPerf software is installed and available on the client PC you will be using for the test. Now connect to the laptop on the 2927 router. Open a command prompt. Use CD to switch to your iPerf directory. Then launch iPerf as the server side by typing iPerf3-S. The iPerf server will stay in this listening state until traffic is established from the other side. With the server enabled, we can now move to the client PC on the Vigor 3910 to run the test. Open a command prompt or terminal on the client PC and enter the command iPerf3-C plus the WAN IP address of the iPerf server router, which is 106.69.81.191. Then hit enter to start the test. Ensure you specify the correct public IP address of the iPerf server and the corresponding port configured for iPerf testing, which is by default 5201. You may also specify the test duration. Once the test finishes, you will see a detailed output. Let's look at how to interpret these results. The iPerf output will show key metrics like the transfer rate and the bit rate, shown in megabits per second, which is the actual throughput capacity of your DrayTek router on the WAN. Don't forget, you can also change the role of the server to be the receiver and get the speed in the other direction. That's how you use iPerf to measure the true WAN speed of your DrayTek router. Remember to ensure minimal network congestion during the test for the most accurate results, and always retest if you change network settings. Thank you for watching. Please like or leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. For more information about DrayTek products, please check out our website at www.draytek.com.au or send us an email to sales@draytek.com.au or give us a call on 02-9838-8899.